Hi Georgi. How long time you stay here? So in the Philippines better not buy good car. This is apartment he rent for 8,500 peso.
If I come in the evening in my room, I feel like I in Seattle.
And Georgi room in the third floor. If have resort, it's mean karaoke and weekend. Oh, 500. 20,000 monthly.
30 days, yes.
30 days, 20,000 peso. Installing CCTV camera. Shaira, are you first time?
Yes.
Okay. So you bought new electric bike already?
It's not new, it's second. Maybe it's 3 months old.
3 months only. Street foods, it's Philippine street foods. So many fry. So we bought now for 1,200 peso total. Shaira already prepare for soup, prepare meat.
Start.
Start. 2.5 kilometers, Shaira. Okay. Okay, let's go. This is Georgi apartment. POD residence. Hi everyone. Again today Georgi won't move to another apartment. Before he live in Marisol village. Marisol between Pandan Road. It's so far. But he said problem is not far. Problem very hot in his room. I will show his room now. This is entrance to its owner live in this part of the building. Harvard Street. Hi Georgi. How long time you stay here? 3 weeks maybe. About 3 weeks he stay only here. Only 3 weeks. And need again move. But he will move to very good place. A new building. I will show later. We built another apartment for rent. I think it's good business if we do so many apartments. This is Hala block. One Hala block from 7 peso to 11 peso. Dog. Another apartment. So many apartments here. Yesterday I cleaned my car And I found so many dents, scratch. I put little bit paint because to metal already. You see, new car for 1 year. Also this is dent. So in the Philippines better not buy good car. Always some people can scratch your car. I know who. You know where I park. Near Shira home. Because so many garbage we put near home. And garbage fall down to the car. That's why. How? They know. And if repaint, it's minimum 10,000 peso need to pay. Two parts. One part and another part need to paint. It's minimum 10,000 peso. I see so many scratch. Okay, I will walk to Georgi room. I will show Georgi your apartment. Open door.
Uh-huh.
You see, this is parts. It's always sun side. Sun. Always daytime, very, very hot. Georgi already put film. You see. This is apartment he rent for 8,500 peso. Without aircon. It's his aircon. Also without internet. Without heater. Don't have heater. He said in apartment so hot, he don't want heater. Even water hot. So small. Good apartment, but he said he cannot stay here. And this is wall always hot. Georgi, what reason you want to leave? Because so hot here, yes? Or not only hot? Not only hot. I will ask Georgi later. Also another apartment, another side of a road. Hi. Okay, Georgi. I will ask Georgi. Georgi, why you move from this apartment? It's new building. What happened again? It's three weeks only. 3 weeks.
Pipe.
Pipe.
You see broken. It's sewage system.
Okay.
On the road.
Under the road. It's in the Philippines. It's okay.
It goes from there.
Uh-huh.
And when door closed, under the door.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay.
You can look. Here also open, but so you can see water.
Yes, I know.
And we go upstairs because second floor, last floor, it's very hot here.
Yes.
Because very hot, air go up and air from there, from downstairs, go here.
Uh-huh.
Go here, go inside my room. Even if I seal my door, you see,
Uh-huh.
it doesn't go because there are holes in the door.
Yes.
So it goes from the holes here through the windows. Yes, and this holes, I think also it goes there. And over the ceiling inside my room. Also the window. And if you look there, you can see sewage system. It's also open. No pit trap. No pit trap. And odor from sewage system from this side also.
Mhm.
So I cannot do ventilation. From this side, from everywhere.
You cannot.
Sewage system, yes.
Ага.
So if I come in the evening in my room, I feel like I in shower, smell like in shower, and this is not a problem. Problem is I wake up with headache, dizziness, so it's impossible to live.
Mhm.
Headache again. So and after Casa Carlita, where was ozone, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia, something happened with me. So it's long story, and I very sensitive.
Georgi, before ex apartment, before when you stay, same problem,
Yes,
same problem.
yes. Everywhere cheap.
Cheap
Filipino
apartment.
apartments, everywhere open sewage system. Maybe it's okay for them, but for me, after Casa Carlita, after something happened with me and damage for my head, damage for my face, nose, so it's very difficult.
Mhm. Okay.
Very, very sensitive and strong. Even not strong smell, for me feel like strong. Filipinos don't feel. I ask them, did you feel this odor? No, I don't feel.
Mhm.
But I feel.
Okay. No, what problem? You can try to live now in expensive apartment and.
Yes.
So this is apartment 8,500 peso a month.
Yes.
Before you stay in 7,800 peso in Mabalacat.
Yes.
Also you stay for 11,500 and 12,000 in near Walking Street.
Yes.
All apartment is everywhere smell not good for you. You can smell.
Yes.
But this apartment also hot.
Problem not, I can smell. It doesn't matter, smell or not.
Mhm.
The problem is damage my head.
Okay.
So even if I cannot smell, if I don't feel anything, it's not a problem.
Okay.
Problem is headache.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, you take one more things and we go. Barangay Ninoy Aquino, Marisol Village. It's very close. It's a rotonda already. You can see. Yes. Georgi, how do you go to this apartment? Walk or use jeepney? Take jeepney or walk?
Marisol?
No, to home, to this home.
Usually walk.
Walk.
Yes. To
How-
walking street and come back.
How long distance? How long time you walk?
35 minutes. Sometimes 30.
So it's long distance. You walk so fast and long time.
Yes.
But why you not use jeepney? Jeepney is 10 peso, about 10 peso, 11 peso.
13.
Ah, okay. But it's not expensive. Or you like only walk?
Sometimes I use jeep, sometimes walk.
Okay.
Because when I wake up in the morning with headache, yes,
Uh-huh.
I make breakfast. Yes, I eat and I walk to billiard. If we have pool league in Meikos,
Okay.
I walk to Meikos, and in these 30 minutes I walking, I breathe, and
Fresh air.
headache. I feel better because I go away from sewage odors, and I walk here, and I feel better.
Okay.
So if I use jeepney, it takes maybe only 10 minutes.
So it's exercise.
So for me better, yes. For me better.
Good weather today. Cloudy, not so hot, but 34 degree now. We already in Barangay Malabanias. This is left side, turn to Hansonville.
Parking on the bridge.
Parking in the bridge. Yeah. We already near Georgi new apartment. You can see this is Candy Tower 3 and his apartment right side. You can see right side, this one.
No, not this.
Next. Yes. Sorry. Because I never been. Yes, Savina Drive. Is Savina Drive. And Georgi before stay in the what name? Hotel. Eltis, yeah. Georgi, where park? Yeah.
This.
Where entrance? This is door, yes? Another.
Maybe
Turn. Yeah. Okay. This is entrance, huh? Yeah, Georgi. Okay. Okay. And Georgi room in the third floor. But live near road also is not good, so noisy. So every floor have eight rooms. House for sale. Sophia Street. Room for rent. Collins Family Resort. So this is resort. If have resort, it's mean karaoke and weekend. It is already barangay. Dogs. So noisy. Georgi already opened door. I won't go with you, Georgi, okay? Show me your room. Okay, Georgi, show to our subscriber your new apartment. Good afternoon. Already second floor. Here don't have elevator. For good for Georgi, exercise. Georgi, it's good if don't have elevator, yes? For exercise. Hi. Oh, it's your room. 11. 11. Oh, have new refrigerator. Yes. Sofa. A router, it's your router?
Not mine.
Not? Ah, internet already.
Already was here.
Uh-huh.
Very fast.
Very fast speed.
Yes.
So this is living room. Small living room.
It's around
Okay, show to us. Oh, good speed.
Yes, very fast.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
500.
Wow.
Good. So this bed sheet already have. So it's full furnish. Balcony. Ага, my car. Okay. Georgi, this is resort. You can hear karaoke weekend. Prime Asia Hotel. Candy Palace also. Good. Okay, CR. We can check CR. CR. All new, fresh. Ah, have heater on side. Room is not big, but not need big. You can faster, it's aircon have, faster cool.
Yes. Fast.
Okay, you can close. Georgi, explain how much you pay for this room.
20,000.
20,000 monthly.
30 days, yes.
30 days, 20,000 peso. Already including internet?
Yes.
Internet including.
Only electricity and water.
Electricity and water you need to pay. Additional pay. And this floor is not occupied, only you? You don't know. Okay. Installing CCTV camera. Shaira, are you first time?
Yes.
Okay. Shaira will polish car because it's your family things. That's why my car now scratch, all car with scratch. You see, all side need to polish. Dent already cannot fix, but can polish small scratch. I will show to you how to scratch. I hope after renovation I can good park. Because they put all not good things outside. So already better, Shaira?
Yes, it's already fixed.
Already fixed. It's good. We are planning now go to Mavoki. It's Mabalacat city, Mavoki market. We usually bought meat because it's fresh meat. But we will use car, not with electric scooter. So you bought new electric bike already?
It's not new, it's second. Maybe it's 3 months old.
3 months only. How long distance can you use, Shaira?
It's from Angeles.
From Angeles 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometer can use, so 20 kilometers. Okay. Okay, small.
And also inside.
Inside wheel.
It's like car.
Same like car. Okay.
Gas and the brake. This one have a monitor.
Monitor, okay. Because cat sit and scratch.
Yes.
Okay. Anti-cat. Okay.
Have also what is this like thing on the car?
So camera also working.
Yes, camera. And then have headlight also in the back. Light. Have
If you use this light, Shaira, your battery so fast and low, but I remember
then
I use also car electric.
then put also music here.
Okay. Same. Speaker.
Yes, same noise.
Okay, we use car. We not use this electric bike. Use car.
We hold it.
Okay. I don't want to use this electric bike. Better use car or motor. Electric bike, I know. It's not stable drive. I know it's not safety also. We park here in Milwaukee. This is parking place. Basketball court also. Hi. Always many people here, always. Even night time, day and night. This is Barangay Hall, Barangay Sapang Baybas. I will ask Shaira how to correct to say. Hi. Hi. Yeah,
Okay,
from Russia.
Russia with love. From Russia with love.
Thank you, thank you. Where Shaira? I don't know. Shaira always faster, maybe hungry.
What up, my friend?
Hi.
Where have you been?
I don't know where Shaira. She don't want to wait. Maybe she hungry. Street foods, it's Philippine street foods. So many fry. It's not for me. Fry. Mango also have. And we go into the market. Oh, Shaira. Oh, fish also have. Ask about beef, Shaira. Okay.
Kaya itong sa living body ka, itong lang naman naman.
Oh, good.
This one, right? Or this one?
With
Ayan.
this one and this one also. How much 1 kilo this one?
270.
220.
270.
270. And this one?
185.
185. Okay, this and this. So,
324.
Okay. And time now 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is better because it's not so many people right now. About 7 p.m. is so many people, and most of the meat maybe already sold out. Enough, yeah. Banana also. Later we will buy banana. Maybe someone asking, oh, why you not buying the hypermarket? Why you buying the outside? But you know, sometimes in hypermarket also quality not good. Sometimes smell not good. If I walk near meat, where I sell meat, it smell not good. That's why I don't want to buy if smell not good. Egg? Okay, 10 enough. 10. Also banana need buy. This is cheapest banana. It's banana maybe 50 peso only. This banana beta is 80 peso per kilo. Ah, 30, this is 30 peso. This cheapest 30 peso.
65.
This is 55.
65.
So we bought banana for 159 peso. It's total. Need buy vegetable.
Yeah, thank you.
So it's 190. 1 cabbage, 1 kilo tomato, 1 kilo cucumber, 190 peso. So we bought now for 1,200 peso total. So many vegetable, banana also. If we bought in the hypermarket, I think I pay more higher because it's how much in the hypermarket
Meat?
meat beef
300.
beef in hypermarket about 300
Half kilo.
half kilo, but here 100 or 285 1 kilo, so it's cheaper here and fresh also. Of course we check it's usually we bought here, that's why we know quality is good. So many Philippine people buy in the market. No, some of people of course they couldn't have time, they buy in the hypermarket. So this is put here, Shara, to plastic. Ah, okay. So it's 1,200 peso. It's total.
That's so many.
Yeah. Meat is 4 kilo. 4 kilo. Banana. It's not so many, but it's okay. And today evening I will polish another side of my car. Also have scratch. Hi. Hi. And now we will cook. Oh, Shaira, not take all. I will take. Shaira won't already take. You just prepare meat. Shaira already prepare for soup. Prepare meat. But why so many, Shaira?
For soup.
For soup? No, it's for soup is so many. Ah, you put in the plastic. Ah, she put in plastic and we separate, put in the freezer. Good. So many meat. And we will use for soup is pressure cooker. This one. This is faster. 20 minutes and faster cook. So we already prepare meat, 1 potato, water, and I bought before in Russia. This is ingredients. So need put only ingredients and close. Okay, need wait only 20 minutes. It's faster. This is soup, Russian soup. Very soft meat, beef. We with Clark now, we're going to park. Shaira. He don't know. Yes, he don't know what he want. Oh, Clark Center is busy now. Many cars. Oh, near casino. Oh, so many cars. Take a look, Sharon. So many cars near casino. Many rich people playing casino. Okay, Shaira. Ready to run or not?
Ready to run.
Ready to run?
But
Oh.
little bit.
Many people now. Thursday, but many people.
Start.
Start. 2.5 kilometers, Shaira. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, okay.
Oh, I hear. Oh,
But many people.
yes.
Time now 10:10. 10:10 Thursday.
Thursday?
Thursday, yeah. Tomorrow Friday. Friday maybe more people.
More people tomorrow until Sunday.
Uh-huh. Are you tired? Not? It's good.
Hi everyone, this is a long video that we're gonna take, and we just finished take some jogging in CDC Park, and it's already 11 o'clock.
11 p.m. already.
Yes, and we're going to home right now. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Who don't like or haters, please unsubscribe. We not need so many subscribers, haters. We need normal, good subscribers, not who hate, who don't like us. Yes?